When seeking robust and high-performing equipment, the name Bosch frequently resonates with skilled tradespeople and artisans, renowned for delivering cutting-edge tools with unparalleled quality and capabilities. In this video, we'll showcase 20 of the most impressive Bosch power tools every enthusiast should possess.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTech TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
We have the Bosch GO. This mini handheld screwdriver elevates the way of screwing with its blend of portability, power, and precision. Compact and lightweight, it's effortlessly carried anywhere yet packs a punch and performance, making it an indispensable companion for craftsmen. With 5 torque settings catering to delicate tasks or robust applications, it offers versatility across a range of screwing challenges. Its standout feature is the immediate stop function upon releasing the power button, ensuring precise control and efficiency in every use. Whether for professional or DIY projects, the Bosch GO sets a new standard in screwing convenience and effectiveness, promising quick and accurate results with every task tackled. Starting with the Bosch GRL 650 CHVG rotary laser, a reliable and versatile tool designed for demanding construction sites. Its robust construction ensures durability with protection against tripod tip-over and IP68 rated resistance to dust and water, offering extended operation time with 18V lithium-ion system batteries or alkaline batteries. It excels in tasks such as concrete pouring, excavation, sealing, installations, and framing. Intuitive operation via a screen simplifies functions including slope setting, while connectivity through the leveling remote app enhances usability via Bluetooth. With a green laser beam for superior visibility in varying lighting conditions, the GRL 650 rotary laser provides a comprehensive solution for accurate leveling needs on the job site. The Bosch GDR 18V200C stands out as a powerful and versatile tool for various fastening applications with a robust 300 Nm of fastening torque. This brushless impact wrench offers exceptional performance in a compact and lightweight design, ensuring both power and flexibility for optimal results. Its brushless motor not only delivers high power and extended run times, but also ensures a long tool lifetime, making it suitable for prolonged usage. The audible release feature automatically shuts off the tool in reverse mode, preventing nut runoff and enhancing safety. Equipped with a half-inch tool holder featuring a friction ring and pinhole, it facilitates easy socket changes and secure socket retention. Compatible with Bosch Professional 18V lithium-ion batteries and chargers, as well as the AM Shared Multi-Brand Battery Alliance, this impact wrench offers unmatched convenience and efficiency on the job site. This is the Bosch EasyInflate 18V 500 cordless air pump. This tool redefines convenience with its maximum airflow of 530 L per minute, facilitating swift inflation and deflation of various large volume items like pool toys, inflatable boats, and air mattresses. Featuring a 50 cm hose and an easy on-off switch, it ensures comfortable operation while the inclusion of 3 nozzles accommodates different sized valves. Its compact design and included storage bag make transportation effortless, whether to the pool, lake, or on camping trips. As part of the 18V Power for All system, this pump offers compatibility with other tools in the lineup, allowing for interchangeability of batteries across the range, providing added versatility and ease of use for users. The Bosch Bulldog SDS Plus Floor Scraper is a versatile tool designed for efficient and effective material removal. Featuring a 5-inch blade that provides 25% more surface area for versatile applications like tile, thin set, and laminate floor removal, Its durable steel blade ensures longevity in mortar and tile removal, while the stable blade attachment with locking bolt and nut fasteners prevents vibrating loose during operation. With its wide blade and longer 11-inch shank, this scraper offers enhanced material removal and ergonomics, allowing for more upright scraping when tackling tile, mortar, or laminate glue. The Bulldog floor scraper excels in various applications, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Moving forward, here we have the Bosch EasyMower, a lightweight cordless lawn mower designed for effortless maintenance of smaller gardens. Powered by a robust 18V battery equipped with an advanced battery management system, it ensures extended runtime for cordless convenience without compromising on power or efficiency. Featuring an easy-to-use access adjustment height of cut system with 3 settings, it offers versatility for year-round cutting needs. Additionally, grass combs ensure a precise and clean trim along walls and edges, facilitating quick and easy results. Belonging to the Power for All Alliance, this mower provides compatibility with a wide range of tools from various brands, offering users unmatched versatility and convenience for their gardening tasks. Now we have the Bosch GO P18V28 Oscillating Multitool. It sets a new standard for performance with its innovative Starlock interface. This unique connection system ensures a strong grip on accessories, allowing for greater torque transfer and expanded work capabilities. Changing blades is effortless thanks to the no-touch blade change system. Powered by an EC brushless 18V motor, it delivers speeds up to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 2.8-degree oscillating arc. Despite its power, this tool is lightweight at only 3.0 pounds, making it easy to use in tight spaces. It also features ergonomic grip zones and an LED light for working in dark areas. Compatible with a wide range of Starlock and Starlock Plus accessories, it handles tasks like cutting, sanding, and grinding with ease. The Bosch PSR Select Cordless Screwdriver is an effortless solution for anyone tired of searching for missing bits. Its internal bit drum securely stores all the bits you need, eliminating the hassle of rummaging through drawers or climbing down ladders. Equipped with an illuminated window, selecting the right screw bit is a breeze, ensuring efficient workflow. With a built-in LED, your workpiece remains well-lit and visible at all times, enhancing precision. The Easy Select function allows for effortless switching between the 12 integrated bits with just the push of a button. Despite its compact design, this screwdriver packs a punch, delivering up to 90 screws on a single charge with its 4.5 Nm torque and 210 revolutions per minute idle speed. Its soft grip handle ensures comfortable handling, and charging is simple thanks to the micro USB feature. Do you think you need a versatile cooling solution for your DIY needs? Meet the Bosch Universal Fan, powered by innovative Bosch JetBreeze airflow technology. It delivers a powerful and concentrated airflow with excellent runtime and minimal operating noise. Constant power ensures consistent fan speed throughout the battery life. With multiple hanging and mounting options including hooks, keyhole fitting, and tripod mount, it adapts to various environments effortlessly. The fan head tilts 180 degrees vertically, allowing precise control over airflow direction. Equipped with Bosch Cooling Control electronic, it ensures tool and battery protection. Being part of the Power for All Alliance, it offers compatibility with a wide range of tools across different brands, providing unmatched versatility for users. Looking for an efficient solution for excess concrete removal? Meet the Bosch SDS Max Bushing Tool, optimized with a 12.5-inch shaft to reduce bending and discomfort during applications. With a 1 3/4-inch square chisel head, it removes excess concrete while producing an exterior finish. The SDS Max shank provides compatibility with various tools, and its one-piece design ensures durability and reliability. With a length of 9¼ inches, this bushing tool offers precise control and ease of use for your concrete removal tasks. What's that little guy over here? Is it kind of a toy? No, this is the Bosch EasyCurve sander, a surprisingly handy and compact sander in its class. It comes with 3 movable discs that have optimal adaptability and rotate constantly until you're done with the project. The best part of this tool is it allows you to change the sanding accessories quickly and shift to another surface, and the low vibration, less noise production, and convenient dust extraction maintain a standard quality between jobs to jobs. It's time to sand curves by the EasyCurve. Let's be frank, edge routing is one of the most crucial tasks carpenters often get annoyed by. What if you get an edge router with a unique design and perfect control? Thanks to the low weight and handy ergonomics, it offers you comfortable handling facilities. It comes with the ideal balance point and enlarged footplate to ensure great control over the tool. With the spin lock mechanism, you can change the bit quickly and move from project to project. Hold on, the coolest part is when you achieve the desired depth with smooth and macro depth adjustment, cordless freedom, hassle-free working. Nailing materials together with a hammer, of course, it's not a good way. You better go with this Bosch Nailer to get the job done quickly and without even alerting your coworker that you're done. It allows a convenient depth adjustment of up to 64 millimeters and works flawlessly in single firing mode. The dry fire lockout mechanism lets you bring a total professional look to every job. No wonder the narrow nose won't cause any damaging issues on the surface. There's no doubt a floorer or carpenter relies on a circular saw to deal with wood and wood-based materials, and if they're not worth enough, the results won't be accurate. But having these Bosch circular saws by their side, they'll surely get the most precise cuts for the highest demands. The most interesting feature of these saws is their pivoting base, which perfectly suits every workpiece surface. Powerful, fast, accurate, and clean, it's best for trade and industry. Well, every trade person around here has used track saws before to get the power and performance they need. But you may want to know why this track saw is special. This Bosch Track Saw ensures the topmost quality with cordless convenience. Wondering how? It runs on Bosch's exclusive Procore batteries to take on the toughest jobs. Plus, it keeps the lowest distance to the wall for close cuts. Want to know another pro? This saw comes with the Eco mode that extends total runtime by up to 30%. We're sure you've always dreamed of getting corded performance in a cordless tool. This time you're going to get that. Here's another saw on the list. Although it looks similarly working like the previous one, it's a table saw from Bosch specially designed for the pros. It offers you the best cut in a minimalistic way. However, the best part of the table saw is you can easily carry it anywhere and maneuver it around your job site. Surprisingly, it allows you to cut thick wood pieces and plyboard that you've used to cut by the bulky corded ones. The great combination of optimized design, 70mm cutting height and 635mm rip capacity ensure your peace of mind while tackling the tightest cutting conditions. It's very common for you to get annoyed when dealing with uneven wooden surfaces. That's why the Bosch Planer comes in handy with all the effective answers. First things first, it comes with the next level compactness and control, so you'll have quick access to all the tough spaces. On top of that, you'll be able to adjust the planing depth with a simple press of the release mechanism that stands for excellent edge chamfering. And an ergonomic design with optimized hand position will make one-handed operations a breeze. From now on, all those uneven surfaces are no more your most hated things. Tired of using large and bulky screwdrivers? Want to grab something handy? Here's the Bosch IXL. This tiny guy delivers everything you want from a screwdriver and comes surprisingly compact. First and foremost, it's so lightweight, meaning you don't need to go the extra mile while using it around your home or workshop. Thanks to the convenient trigger, operations will be cozier, and the intuitive forward/reverse switch brings comfort in hand. Moreover, the coolest part hits here. It has 2 lighting modes for your different needs. Despite being so compact, it's a little giant. Saws are the unrivaled option for a woodworker for their cutting projects. That's why Bosch has extended their saw lineup with this professional jigsaw. This is one of the most powerful jigsaws you can have. It boasts an efficient motor and comes in a durable design to ensure you a continuous and error-free project, no matter how thick your wood pieces are. It cuts them in no time at all. Though it tends to cut wood mainly, you can also deal with a wide range of plastics, metal, and coppers too. If you're involved with tasks like wood carving, handicraft on softwood or plywood, and more, this jigsaw will make them easy. This saw can convert your dream designs into reality. Here comes a miter saw at the end of today's list. This Bosch GCM 8 SJL is a perfect combo of precision, facility, and portability. It allows you to get highly visible cuts every time with a great width on up to 70 mm thick materials. Plus, it adopts the 2-point dust extraction, thus you'll be making your task cleaner and safer. With the various angle management, it lets you encounter dozens of applications. Finally, the integrated pull-out extension table increases the cutting support for your longer workpieces. Oh, there's a large, comfortable handle that makes each action easier and smoother. So that was the list of the 20 coolest Bosch power tools you should have.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.